Over $57 billion in total assets. More than 20 years of experience on the market. 4 million retail clients and 220,000 corporate clients. 615 offices. 20,000 employees. This is ОТКРЫТИЕ Group, the largest privately owned financial group in Russia. Companies of the group offer their products and services to all kinds of clients, individual customers, SMEs, large corporations, and institutional investors. The group is comprised of ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank, Russia's largest privately owned bank and the fourth largest bank in Russia by assets, ОТКРЫТИЕ Capital, one of the leading Russian investment banks, ОТКРЫТИЕ Broker and ОТКРЫТИЕ Asset Management, among the leaders in brokerage services and asset management. ОТКРЫТИЕ, together with the Russian Deposit Insurance Agency, is carrying out the financial rehabilitation of Trust Bank. Trust Bank is being developed as an independent bank within the group. ОТКРЫТИЕ's distribution network covers 66 key regions of Russia. Investment divisions of the group also have offices in the United Kingdom and the United States. ОТКРЫТИЕ holds minority stakes in companies that are leaders in their market segments, including the non-state pension fund Lukoil Garant and the non-state pension fund of the electric power industry. The company's largest shareholders are ОТКРЫТИЕ's founder, Vadim Belyaev, VTB Bank, Russia's second largest state-owned bank by assets, IFD Capital Group, and ICT Group, privately owned groups with the successful experience in developing financial assets. ОТКРЫТИЕ was established 20 years ago as a small brokerage company. Since then, the group has grown to become the largest privately owned financial institution in Russia and an important market player both in Russia and internationally. Despite the rapid growth, ОТКРЫТИЕ has always focused on scrupulous risk management and a careful approach to asset selection. Banking is ОТКРЫТИЕ's primary business activity. ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank is ranked the 7th among Central and Eastern European banks and 321st globally by Tier 1 Capital by The Banker magazine. ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank is also ranked in Forbes' Global 2000 list of the world's largest companies. The Central Bank of Russia included ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank in its list of 10 systemically important credit institutions. ОТКРЫТИЕ Group is the largest consolidator of banking assets in the Russian market. ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank was formed through a series of mergers and acquisitions of more than 10 banks of various sizes, including both large federal and regional institutions. ОТКРЫТИЕ is a really universal bank with all business segments, corporate, retail, SME, investment, and private banking, developed harmoniously. Such a diversified asset structure allows us to remain sustainable and maintain profitability over the course of many years, despite changes in the macroeconomic environment. ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank is ranked among the top 5 banks serving corporate clients. ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank is the leader in its market segment, and our strategy is to work with leading companies. Most of Russia's largest companies are our corporate clients. I'm sure that ОТКРЫТИЕ could win a competition for any complex transaction for our corporate clients. Lukoil, Russia's largest privately owned company, is among ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank's strategic clients. We are the main financial partner of the oil giant in the ruble zone. We serve more than 100,000 Lukoil employees, as well as issue a co-branded card for the customers of Lukoil petrol stations.
ОТКРЫТИЕ is one of the largest retail banks in the country. We're second by deposits of individuals among privately owned banks and offer a wide range of retail card products across all market segments from mass to premium. Our current goal is to build a convenient settlement and savings bank for the daily needs of individuals and SMEs. In the future, we plan to become the digital champion and a leader in fintech innovations.
We were the first in Russia to have launched a mobile phone application with a fingerprint recognition access technology called Touch ID, and were one of the first ones to have launched Apple Pay. ОТКРЫТИЕ successfully developed digital projects such as Rocket Bank, a fully remote banking service for individuals, and Tochka, the most efficient mobile bank for entrepreneurs, which has made a real breakthrough in financial technologies by launching the world's first Facebook bot for payments. ОТКРЫТИЕ Bank is ranked the 5th among Russian banks serving SMEs. We serve 140,000 small businesses. During the past year, the number of new SME clients grew by 32%. Открытие Private Banking is ranked among the Forbes top 10 in Russia and has won awards twice in the Global Private Banking Awards. Открытие Bank's investment bank is one of the leading individual Russian players in the investment markets. We offer international investors a wide range of financial instruments, including local shares and government bonds, Eurobonds, mutual funds, portfolio solutions, as well as direct access to Russian and international markets. The bank's investment bank is an active player and market maker in forex, money market, and commodity derivatives, which is evidenced by its numerous market awards. Открытие is the #1 in stock exchange repo volumes on the local market and has repo lines with the largest local banks. Открытие Bank has been a leader in the precious metals market for many years. The bank serves the largest gold mining and jewelry companies, Russian and international banks, and thousands of individual investors. Открытие Bank was among the first in Russia to sell gold bullion directly on the Shanghai Gold Exchange. Открытие is a member of the London Bullion Market Association. A bank of this size plays a prominent role on capital and international markets. We continue to attract funds from international investors into the Russian economy and are expanding our presence in new markets, specifically in the Chinese one. Over the last 15 years, the bank has negotiated 18 international syndicated loans for a total volume of $2 billion. Besides European and American banks, banks from mainland China have participated in transactions in recent years. For more than 10 years, the bank has been regularly placing securities on international capital markets. The latest $400 million placement of 3-year Eurobonds was one of the largest among the 2016 Eurobond placements by Russian banks. The demand for this issue exceeded $600 million. Открытие also actively raises bilateral interbank loans and attracts funds from foreign banks on deposits. Открытие actively participates in the realization of socially important projects in the areas of sports, culture, education, and healthcare. The company has been supporting the Vera Hospice Charity Fund for several years. It is possible to get special bank cards and purchase souvenirs with pictures of the Hedgehog in the Fog cartoon characters in any bank office. We transfer proceeds from the sale of souvenirs and cash back on the bank cards to aid terminally ill people. In 2014, Открытие Bank and Spartak Moscow Football Club signed a sponsorship agreement under which the club's first home stadium was named Открытие Arena. In 2018, this stadium will host the FIFA World Cup. The sponsorship funds from Открытие are used for the development of children and teenage football and to support football veterans. Открытие is one of the most recognized brands in the Russian banking market. Открытие's brand recognition increased threefold during the past 3 years. Football player Cristiano Ronaldo and hockey player Alexander Ovechkin were the faces of our advertising campaigns. Открытие's reliability and sustainability, together with the fundamental principles of our strategy, efficiency, innovation, and flexibility, will allow us to continue strengthening our leading positions in all our key segments. We aim to be better, faster, and more efficient than our peers.